This beautiful scarf has a lovely story attached to it. It is called Come to the Table. Can you see the place prepared for you? There's a beautiful table setting with baskets of fruit. The plates are ready, fresh flowers, and a beautiful loaf of fresh bread. It's actually right down here, it's challah bread, which is a special bread that we eat here in Israel on Shabbat Shalom. I dedicated this scarf to the wonderful people in the Middle East, our Jewish brothers and sisters, and all families here in the Middle East. And it's called Come to the Table, or Shabbat Shalom, and it expresses the beauty of when we can enter in to a place of rest together and stand in the gap for those that can't enjoy the rest, or they can't enjoy a Shabbat Shalom. And there's a window behind the table that you can see when you sit at the table. There's a new horizon. There are windows of hope. There are windows of new beginnings that are opening up in this scarf. And I made it fun and whimsical with the polka dots and the roses, and the sun is beaming, and the sunflowers. Always lots of flowers in my work. And there's a beautiful poem on this scarf. It's part of my Love's Pure Light Forever collection. It has a poem on it, and for Shabbat Shalom, it's something that the Jewish people celebrate, and we celebrate as well. Friday we enter into that time of rest for the weekend, and it's a day where we have sacred rest, where we give ourselves permission to do nothing but celebrate the blessings that we've experienced in this week. And this scarf has a poem I wrote, and I'm going to read it to you, and it says this. The Shabbat light is burning bright. It's the prettiest table, clean and white. We bless the wine, we bless the bread. It's Friday night, let's sit at the table. What a delight. Rest for a while, your heart will smile. Gaze on the blessings this past week. Oh, my heart will speak. Never-ending delish, such a treat. Shabbat Shalom, thank God we are home. I worship you, God of my heart. I keep you on the throne. To enter in can sometimes be pressing, but once I sit down, you always bring the blessings. And it's just a beautiful poetry I have written for this scarf about entering in to that place of rest. Come and sit at the table. Gaze upon the beauty. Gaze upon the blessings that you've experienced this day and yesterday and the day before. The second that we can enter into a time of thanksgiving and actually thinking about the good things that are happening, our atmospheres shift. And this is what this scarf is all about. Come to the table. So I welcome you when you wear this piece. It's beautiful walnut brown on there. I have a brighter version as well, but this one here I'm wearing is the softer hue, and there's just such a significant meaning. And I dedicated this scarf to all of the families here in the Middle East. I'm here in Jerusalem now, and I'm able to share this special piece with them. Though some of our friends and families are struggling with the time of war, we're here to bring great comfort and continue to welcome them to come sit at the table.